Two-factor authentication, not working on Ally Mobile Investing Fix. If you're locked out of your Ally Mobile Investing account because two-factor authentication isn't working, don't worry, this is a fixable problem. Most people assume it's a major technical failure, but in reality, it's almost always a simple sync or app issue. The first thing to check is your phone's clock. Two-factor codes are time-based, meaning if your device's time does match Ally servers, your code will be rejected. Go to your device's settings, turn on Set Time Automatically, and double-check your time zone. Then, open your Authenticator app and resync the time for codes if possible. If you're using text verification and not receiving your code, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggling airplane mode for a few seconds. Some mobile carriers delay or block automated messages from financial institutions. Next, make sure both the Ally Mobile app and your Authenticator app are updated to their latest versions. Old apps can cause login and verification issues without showing any clear error messages. If you've recently changed phones, restored from backup, or deleted your Authenticator, your setup will need to be reset. On the Ally login page, tap Can't Access FA to verify your identity and set up a new authentication method. Here's a pro tip: always store your recovery codes or backup keys in a secure offline location. They're your safety net if you lose your phone or can't generate a new code. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on Ally Mobile Investing, syncing your device time, updating your apps, and resetting your authentication method usually does the trick. These steps take only a few minutes and will get you back to trading securely and confidently.